Hey, what's up guys? So this is the updated video for the AmazFit Verge Lite and it's just 1.6 years since I bought this. So I bought it from AmazFit official website and I paid around 4,799. So definitely you can watch the full review video here. Also amazing time with this watch, but just 1.6 months and this happened. So it was working all good, and one morning I woke up. I was just here. I keep it here because I don't wear it at night. And notification comes, it lights up, and I see this bar. Now I tried basically keeping it in dry ice, maybe because of moisture. Dry ice, not ice. Sorry, dry ice because maybe of moisture. I tried draining the battery down, recharging it, but no luck. But surprisingly, touch is working fine. Which is good, but the sad part is that it's just 1.6 months. That's 1 year 6 months. So that's a sad part, because again I've used the Mi Bands in past, which is also made by AmazFit, the Xiaomi sub brand, partner brand to be honest. So my Mi Band 3 is still running with my brother. It's like 4 years or something like that now, 3 to 4 years. This is an expensive watch and just 1.5 years, which is pathetic. Now the thing is, it's not, my usage is not that heavy. Like if you see this watch, I mean it's in mint condition, as you can see. It's like super good condition. There's no scratches, there's no dents, even the button is properly there. Like I've seen many Verge Lite users where the button pops up, their strap gets out and all that crap. But my condition is very good and still this happened. Maybe this is my unit, I'm not sure, but I think the AmazFit build quality is good, but it's not great. And that's a reason why if you were planning to buy any AmazFit watch, make sure it's gonna run 1.5 to 2 years, maximum 3 years. So invest accordingly. Only buy, I would say, the medium end ones, not the extra high end one, because again you need to change it every 3 to 5 years. It's like a smartphone these days where you keep upgrading. It's not like your analog watch where like, oh my god, it's working 10 years, 15 years. No, it's not gonna happen. Last week what happened was I was at the gym and this just popped up. Like literally this just happened, and surprisingly watch is still working fine, which I'm surprised to know that. So I would say the dial build quality is great. In fact, in my review video I said the build quality is great because I think it's great. But just see this, there's no screws inside it for some reason. I mean, this dial is like, it's connected, but there's no screw. I think it's holded by a by the gum, and over time the gum got loosened, maybe because I use it in gym water. Like I don't take a bath with it, of course, but I do some hand wash and all that with this watch because it's waterproof, and this has happened. And you can see this is basically the heart rate sensor, and the heart rate sensor gets connected right here. So that got disconnected, but other than that, this is nice. They have screws as well. So I might try to open it up to see if I can clean the display connector, but I contacted the AmazFit support, and this gave me a quotation of 3,576 rupees for the dial. So only this part. Okay, so your basically watch is new, only the strap and the back panel would be the old one. Now it's almost similar to the cost that I paid, which was 4,799. So I would say instead buy a new one, basically, because you get 1 year warranty. So do I recommend AmazFit watch anymore? Well, I had amazing time with this watch. Like my fitness journey started with this. I lost 20 kgs weight, and I have every workout activity registered in my watch. Like, and the auto sync feature with Strava is just amazing. You can literally go to my Strava profile and see from last 2 years I've done so many activities. It's good to track the progress. And again, I'll lose 20 kgs of weight, build some muscles. So it's probably improvement in my health. And it's totally worth it, I would say. But don't spend too much on the watches, because this watch not gonna last you 1.5, 2 to maximum 3 years, maximum by luck say 4 years, not more than that. So you need to keep upgrading, and that's a sad part of it. Maybe I might try the Realme watch or the new ones, which is I think the Bolt also has one, but there's one popular called Bolt. It's B-O-U-L-T. It's not B-O-A-T. It's Bolt. So I might try that. And also I'm gonna go to my mama's shop. They have watch shop. I'm gonna glue this in, and if this is working fine, probably I'm gonna use it for more time. But yeah, this is not acceptable. I might need to upgrade to a new watch soon. Definitely let me know which one is good, which one do you recommend, and I will definitely post a video on the same. That's pretty much for this video. Hope you liked it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Tech Show if you haven't already. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit the like button. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye now.